Animated surprise eggs.
Hi kids, are you ready to count international police cars? Okay, let's go! Germany. A German police car. Let's count together. One German police car. One. We love surprise eggs. What's inside? United States of America. A U.S. police car. Let's count U.S. police cars. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2 U.S. police cars. Yay! What's inside? Russia. A Russian police car. Are you ready to count Russian police cars? Okay, let's go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! What's inside? Brazil. A Brazilian police car. Let's count Brazilian police cars. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 4 Brazilian police cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, kids! Click subscribe and join our community.